Hi there, Roxy here. In this video, we will see how to transform multiple rows column values into a pipe delimited string. This is the sample input data. It has three columns: candidate ID, candidate name and skill. We can see three candidate details here. Candidate ID 101, Alex Gregg has 4 records. He is skilled in C++, Unix, MS SQL and AutoSys. Candidate ID 102, Peter Roy has 2 records. He is skilled in Java and Oracle. Candidate ID 103, Maria Sen has 5 records. She is skilled in Informatica, Oracle, Scala, Hive, and again her skill Scala got repeated here. The requirement is to walk through on each candidate and group all their skills into a pipe delimited string. If there is any duplicate data found, then it must be removed from the output. This is the sample output data. Here we can see all 3 candidate details were grouped into 3 rows. Also their skills were grouped into a pipe delimited string. Let's write solution for this problem using Oracle. I have already created the candidate skills table and inserted necessary data. Let's query it. As we can see, this table candidate skill has 3 columns. Also, it contains 3 candidate details. Let's proceed to write the actual logic. According to the output, we need to fetch all 3 columns. We need candidate ID. We need candidate name. Now their skills needs to be grouped into a pipe delimited string. To do that, we need to add list tag function. This list tag is an aggregate function which combines the rows and returns single row result set. Let me add that function here. To this function, we need to pass the column which we want to group and the delimited character. This character can be anything. It can be comma, it can be tilde. But to match the expected output, I am going with using pipe delimited character. The select statement throwing an error because this list tag is an aggregate function. So if the select statement has any non-aggregate column, then it must be declared in the group by class. Therefore, I am adding group by class here. Here the non-aggregate columns are candidate ID and candidate name. Let me sort their skills in alphabetical order. To get it done, we need to add within group class. In this result set, we can see all 3 candidate details were grouped into 3 rows. Also, their skills were grouped into a pipe delimited string. Still, this is not what we expected, right? If you have noticed the candidate ID 103, the skill scalar got repeated twice because the input table itself contains duplicate data. So to remove the duplicate data, we need to add distinct keyword within list tag function. Now the result populated is exactly matched with the expected output. As we can see, single row populated for each candidate. Also their skills were grouped into a pipe delimited string and there is no duplicate data found. To summarize this, if we want to group multiple rows column values into some delimited string, then we need to use list tag function. But this list tag function has some limitations as it can concatenate only up to 4000 bytes. That is, the length of this aggregated value must be lesser than or equal to 4000 bytes. If it goes beyond 4000 bytes, then Oracle will throw an error. In another video, we will see how to overcome this length issue. But for this particular problem statement, using list tag function is sufficient to get the required solution. I hope you found this video useful. I have also made another video to get solution for the same problem statement using Spark SQL and I mentioned that video link in the description below. You can check it out if needed. Thank you.